Hey everybody, I'm Amy from BodyFit by Amy, and today I'm going to show you some deep core and pelvic floor exercises that you can do from your bed. That's right, I said from your bed. That's why I'm doing this on my bed. Listen, we're all super busy, especially if you have a demanding job or you are a parent and you have babies or kids at home. I'm always telling you to get that dedicated deep core and pelvic floor work, posture, alignment, breathing, and to do it outside of your workouts so you can take it into those workouts and have a strong foundation. But I know that it can be challenging to find the time to do that. So here are just a few things that you can do to connect with your deep core and your pelvic floor. So we're starting with just some TA breathing. So maybe you're familiar with this before. We're going to check in with our posture where we have those ears stacked over those shoulders, rib cage over the pelvis. We'll start from a seating position and then we'll take that down to the mat. But here we're just going to breathe. We're going to inhale to expand all the way around. Exhale to contract. And when we contract, we're bringing that core in and we're lifting up with that pelvic floor. We're not squeezing or gripping our glutes. We're not squeezing like a tight Kegel maybe you've been instructed to do in the past. It is a gentle lift. And I want you to use the bed or the floor to imagine you're lifting that up, all while you're also bringing in that core. So let's take just a few minutes to connect with that breathing and connect with your posture. And while we're doing that, I want to take a minute to thank my sponsor for this video, Bare Mattress. Bare Mattress is designed to upgrade your sleep, improve your lifestyle and overall quality of life, and is conveniently delivered to your front door for free. My husband and I have been sleeping on the same mattress for over 10 years. We were looking for something to support our active lifestyle, from working out to getting outside to taking care of our 2 kids. Bare Mattress offers a sleep quiz on their website to match you with the perfect mattress based on your personal preferences and your sleep positions. We were matched with the Elite Hybrid and we have been loving it ever since. It came right to our front door in a box, and once we got it out of the box, it took only minutes to assemble. Bare Mattress offers financing, flexible payment options, a lifetime guarantee, and a 120-day trial period. It has unique technology to keep you cool throughout the night, and it's made with non-toxic materials, so you know that it is safe for you and any kids or pets who may be taking over your bed. What are you waiting for? A good night's sleep and a good stretch is just a click away. So now that we've gotten aligned, let's take it down onto our back. So these are the ones that you could do maybe when you wake up in the morning. You can take a few minutes again to connect with that breathing. And I really want you to use the bed or again the floor to connect with that deep core. Once we've got that breathing, we're going to do a little pelvic tilt. So just like it sounds, you're going to tilt your pelvis. I often say hips to ribs, and then release. Inhale to expand. Exhale, tilt that pelvis in. While you're also tilting the pelvis, you're going to think about not gripping with the glutes and pulling the core in all the way through. I often say zip up that core, but keeping in that core and pelvic floor. From there, you can do just a little gentle march. So from this, you're still breathing, but you're still maintaining that deep core connection. You would start with this, and if you have the strength, you can take it up for 2 and then down for 2. You're going to feel the difference. It makes it a little more challenging. And then if you're feeling good about that, you can take it to just some gentle toe taps. So these are really great pelvic floor and core exercises that are good for anybody. We all need this deep core work, but especially if you've been through pregnancies and you're feeling a little disconnected, we're just restoring and learning how to reconnect with those muscles that have been through a lot, right? Hug those knees in. So you can go with that little sequence, pelvic tilt to a march to some toe taps. And then from there, you can also take it to a little bridge. So most of you know this, we're starting with that pelvic tilt to connect with the core, and then you're slowly rolling it up. You may want to be supported with a pillow, you may not, but either way, you're using your bed or the floor, push into those heels, coming all the way through. Breathing into it, connecting. You may not get as high as you do in your workouts when you're on a flat mat or a floor, but use the resistance of your bed to work against. From that bridge, you again could bring both feet up and just do a little double toe tap here to here. If that is too much, you feel like you're starting to feel that push out on your core, then I want you to go back to the single toe tap. But if you've got the stability to do it, you're doing a little double toe tap here and here. You can also add your knees coming in a little bit so you get a little low back stretch as well, and a little bit of work for those low abs as you come in. Hugging those knees in, and then one last one. We're just gonna let those knees drop to the side. So this is a stretch and a strengthen. You're here, rolling through using your core to here. So you're working without a whole lot of twisting, but you're getting that rotation. If that is too much for you, keep your feet on the ground and just take it to that open book. You can even add that upper body. We all need that good stretch as well. Rolling to the side, coming up. So there you have it, team. Those are some easy deep core and pelvic floor exercises that you can do at any time, but a great thing to add when you're lying in your bed and you want to get a little extra strengthening, reconnecting with those muscles. And when you don't feel like you have time in the rest of your day, get it from your bed.